Once dividends are declared, they are guaranteed to be credited to your policy. They can never be taken away, and they're not tax reportable when you leave them inside the policy. When your policy values increase, they can never decrease, regardless of what's happening in the stock markets, real estate markets, or even the economy. You are now in control of step one of the banking process. Let's dissect the second step of banking by continuing to examine the process of acquiring money for a camper trailer. You're financing or paying cash. If you use a traditional financing model, you have to pass a credit check, fill out an OZ loan application, and qualify to borrow the money. And if and when you're approved, you have to make a scheduled stream of payments of principal and interest back to the finance company. You don't own anything until you've made your final payment. And by the time you're done paying for that RV, it is worth less than what you paid for it. You've transferred all the money you paid for the RV away from you forever. You take that $25,000 example and multiply it by 4 over your lifetime, that's $100,000 of your money that you've transferred away from you forever. Our infinite banking clients don't do that anymore. Our clients accumulate accessible cash inside of a properly designed policy, then pick up the phone, contact the insurance company, and take out a policy loan from the participating account of the life insurance company. That money is transferred to them without question, without credit checks, without income verification, and you, the policy owner, decides how and when to repay the policy loan. By the time you're done repaying for the RV, you've recouped everything that you've paid for it, and you own the RV. 100% of the cash values inside of your policy continue to grow. You don't have to continue buying recreational vehicles or any major purchases the way that you're doing it now. You can become the banker in your life and recoup all of that money. So let's talk about the third step of the banking process. You continue to deposit money into your policy, and that money goes into the participating account of the life insurance company. Once you've accumulated $25,000 of accessible cash values inside of your policy, it's time to go buy your RV or whatever your major purchase is. You pick up the phone, you call the insurance company, and they issue you a $25,000 policy loan. The life insurance company does not reduce your cash values inside of your policy. Make a note of that. That is so important. You're not depositing money into a policy and then taking that out. We're borrowing it from the insurance company. So cash values are not impacted by policy loans. You get the RV and continue growing all of your cash values simultaneously. And because you are the policy owner, you control the repayment terms of the policy loan. The life insurance company puts a lien on your death benefit for the amount that you borrowed and uses your cash values as collateral. If you die prematurely and there is a policy loan outstanding, the insurance company will deduct the outstanding loan balance from your total death benefit and pay out tax-free dollars to your named beneficiaries or to your estate. The life insurance company reloans the money and your cash values keep growing. You also earn interest by repaying the policy loan. You create the loan repayment schedule and payments go back into the money pool of the insurance company. The insurance company earns interest on the loan. All of the participating policy owners, including you, participate in the surplus and profit off of the money pool through dividends. Earned interest on policy loans forms a part of that surplus and profit. Any extra interest spread that you choose to earn will be credited to your policy as premium, never leaving your control and never losing value. Life insurance carriers are the only companies in the world that allow you to use your money while it compounds. Every single day that you use your RV, you are also aging closer to 100. What that means is that your cash values inside the policy are only going in one direction, up. By the way, you finance everything in your life, either with cash or someone else's money. And for most people, unfortunately, it's the bank. Did we change the objective to buy the camper trailer? No. We just changed the process. By the time you're done repaying the policy loan, you still own the RV. You've recouped all of that money that you paid for it, and you can repeat that process over and over again. And guess where all your money ended up? In your banking system. This is not a function of interest rates, nor is it a function of rates of return. This is all about who the banker is in your life and who has control over the banking function. The question you need to ask yourself is, who is the banker in your life? With the infinite banking and implementing the banker secret process, you become your own banker and take control of your financial future forever. If you're sitting there thinking, this just sounds too good to be true, all you must decide is, do you want to continue using your bank's money or create your own pool of money where you, the policy owner, have 100% access and control over it at all times? You can continue to keep paying your bank the interest for all of your financing needs, or you can do something about it. Go to McGuireFinancial.ca to create your complimentary consultation to learn more about this amazing financial concept. It's been in Canada for over 175 years. Take a moment and click the thumbs up button. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to keep you posted.